Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your avatar in PICO for Ultra. To edit your avatar, go to the Control Center, then click on Settings to enter them, and now you can go to Accounts, Account Center, and go to Avatar Hub, and now it will open your Avatar Hub, and you'll be able to click on Edit Avatar and Customize, or choose some of these. When I go into Customize, I can customize different settings like the skin color. You can see that it changes in a moment. You can change preset heads. You can change hair. And for hair, you can also change the colors, the brightness. You can also add gradient, for example, like that. You can rotate your avatar. You can change the head, the makeup. For example, this one. And you can also change clothing. And when you change all of these to the way you want it, you can click here on Done, and it will save your avatar. Then you can click on Save, Save, and now your avatar will be this one. And to go back, just click on X, then X, and then close this window. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.